A lot of people showing up in Newton today demanding a wall go back up with pictures of hostages taken by Hamas. Thanks for watching us tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Darren Botello. So last month, some of these pictures of the hostages were spray painted. Some were torn down. Today, our Michael Rosenfield was there as the wall gets rebuilt.
Today, the community came together to rebuild this memorial. It was destroyed by vandals back in March, and right now you can see it right here behind me. It's back up and brand new right here along Homer Street in Newton. Posters of the hostages spray painted and destroyed in March, now back up and on full display.
I wouldn't say it's a happy event, but we want to have a very much of an upbeat, that we're all here together, standing together to stand against anti-Semitism.
Jeff Kasowski and his family had built the hostage wall on their private property in Newton after Hamas invaded Israel in October. He wanted to do something to honor the kidnapped men and women. He doesn't understand why anyone defaced the tribute to the innocent.
I don't know how you could look at 100 faces and just wipe them out. How any human could do that, no matter what your politics.
Now the community has come together to rebuild the wall.
I think it's really important to show the faces of the hostages because they're innocent people who are victims of terror and who are living regular lives just like you and me.
Boston University student Ben Spira knows Hirsch Goldberg-Paulin, one of the hostages.
Hirsch is unlike anyone you've ever met in your entire life. He's very respectful and he's very selfless. He's not a guy who cares a lot about material things, but he's very genuine and just wants to have a lot of fun.
Community leaders hope the wall inspires other families to build similar tributes. Newton has been hit hard by anti-Semitic incidents in the last few months, with nearly 10 different crimes taking place, including rocks thrown through windows where pro-Israel signs were displayed.
We're here to remind our community and the world that the hostages need to be front and center, and that this isn't just a Jewish story, it's a human story.
As for the vandalism incident that took place here back in March, police tell me today so far no arrests have been made. They have also not been able to track down any useful surveillance video that could help in the investigation. In Newton, Michael Rosenfield, NBC 10 Boston.